How to fix Many ChatMain Menu issue. There's a number of issues you may come across while setting up the main menu or using it after. If that's the case, don't worry, just read through this article to find a quick solution to your problem. Table of contents: main menu doesn't appear in Messenger. Can't publish my main menu. Main menu doesn't appear in Messenger. If you have already set up your main menu, but still can't find it in Messenger, this may be happening because of some connectivity issues between ManyChat and Facebook. Click Refresh Permissions button in the Help tab of your account. Also, check if you've actually published and updated your main menu. In order to do that, please head to Automation Main Menu. Check the upper right corner for the blue Update Main Menu button. If you see it, click on it and that will update your main menu and include all the changes that you've made in the process. Can't publish my main menu. All situations when you can't publish your main menu can be divided into two cases. 1. Permissions error, cannot set up main menu. The fix for this case is pretty simple and very similar to cases when the main menu doesn't appear in Messenger. Try clicking Refresh Permissions button in the Help tab of your account. That should fix this issue for your page. 2. Publish error. In such cases, the root of the issue can be found in the elements that are used and submenus. Please edit your main menu to see if there are any deleted tags in the Add Tag Additional Actions, deleted custom fields, sequences, etc. You have to delete them or choose appropriate values for these actions. Also, check if there are any flows used in your main menu's items that are placed in the trash folder. You have to either restore them in flows equals trash, or delete completely in the trash folder as well to be able to choose another flow instead of the deleted one used in the main menu. Main menu buttons aren't working. If your main menu doesn't react to clicks, this can be 1. A permissions issue. Try refreshing them before anything else. For this, please go to Help-Refresh Facebook Permissions. 2. A Messenger Lite issue. If some of your subscribers are using the Facebook Lite app on Android devices, they might experiencing issues with buttons. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't support call to action buttons on Facebook Lite currently. 3. An issue with whitelisting your links. Please go to Settings-Growth Tools-Authorize websites and put there all the links that you use in your main menu and also the manychat.com link for ManyChat to be set properly. Hope this helps in solving any issues with the main menu.